Hello everyone and welcome back to another vlog. Today we are doing a tour of Chatswood Chase. And in the description I have put a link of the video of the Apple store. You can see more about that later. And we're just going to have a look at the new Chatswood Chase because they have some nice designer stores. They have Tugua, I don't know whether I said that correctly, Ralph Lauren, Longchamp, seating area, Boss. I think this is like a cafe. And Mecca. And Dior. Okay. So if you really think about it, it's actually pretty nice. Over here we have more stuff. Let's have a look over here. Is there anything much? And we have more shops over here, but we'll come back to that later. Now, should we go up or down? Let's go up. Or we can do, actually let's do this first. Okay, so this is our new, okay, so Camilla and Mark, nice dresses. Oh, they have the Mac Studios. They're pretty rich. Okay, New York store, Rag and Bone, New York. Nice. Is that a store called July? Like the month? Okay, I'm guessing this is a suitcase and a bag shop. What else do we have around here? We have more shops. Lullimon. Can someone please make their store names very easy to say? July. Oh, Luxicon. They have Luxicon. Very nice. Or some of you might say Loxicon, but I personally call it Luxicon. I know that's how you pronounce it, but I think it's Luxicon. Salomon, I think that's a shoe shop. And Armani. Now, I have some new drip from the weekend. It's named after Sergey and the bank. Is it the bank? I think it's the bank. And we got the concierge desk, so you can ask them questions. They can be happy to respond. Moving on, we have Coach. And we have Sephora, which is like another makeup store similar to Mecca, but kind of different. Now let's go up. Okay, let's go. Oh, there's the Apple store. No, it's leaving. It's actually pretty busy today. Oh, there isn't any shops here. Thank you, sir. Right. And let's go up. More brands to explore on level 2. Welcome to Chatswood Chase. Oh, those are gowns. This is up. We're moving far away from the Apple store. No. I don't think you can see anymore. But anyways, what is this? Glims? Anyways, something weird, but a camera is a camera. Ooh, we have Seed. It's a nice clothing store. I used to have my old clothes from there, but now I have some new clothes. Is it George Jensen? Is it George or Gorg? I don't know. If someone is good at pronunciation, please type it in the comments. I'm not that good. Trenary and Rug and Gun, New Zealand. Okay, we have Victory. And we also have Sportscraft. Pretty nice and basic shop. Why is it on such a tilted angle? Hold up, let me fix this issue. My camera's on a tilted angle. Wait, let me fix this. And then, boom, it's back to normal. So, if you have a look here, oopsies, I need to kill. No, I need to kill to the left. Sorry everyone, sorry. Ooh, we have a Peter Alexander coming up. Is it? I think it's Peter Alexander because of I can immediately recognize it because of the pink. Ooh, Country Road. Let's go inside. It's a pretty big shop, and I think that's the end of this. Chatswood Chase, everyone. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and if you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment if you want to, and good luck, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye everyone.